Namaste. Welcome to another edition of Chai, Samosa, and Success, the podcast series where we mix everyday wisdom with desi flavors to help you conquer the workplace. I'm your host, Sanjay. Today, we have someone very special joining us. A man whose words inspire action, whose stories spark change, and who believes that every chai break can lead to a breakthrough. Please welcome the one and only Swamiji. Swaminathan Sankaran is a motivational speaker, corporate trainer, coach, mentor and director Sktenali.com. He is a well-known motivational speaker in India. Thousands of professionals have benefited from his seminars, workshops and lectures. His work is aimed at transforming lives through motivation, self and skill development. So, Swamiji, what's brewing today? Let's dive into this chai-time conversation packed with insights to elevate your career and life. Grab your chai and let's get started.
Namaste. Thank you, Sanjay. In this edition, we will explore Jugaad, Desi solutions for global challenges. This story comes from a humble juice shop. A washing machine became the star of the show. There is a small town, there is a juice shop, and it was famous for its creamy lassi. And it attracted a lot of customers, crowds miles away. The shop gained popularity. Now the owner had a unique problem, a dilemma, how to churn out large quantities of lassi without compromising the quality or overburdening his staff. Traditional hand churning wasn't fast enough, and buying industrial equipment was too expensive. Here comes Jugaad. One day, as he was thinking over this problem, he noticed that he had ordered a new washing machine and which was lying unopened in the storeroom. Inspiration struck. He started thinking, could I use this machine built for spinning cloths be repurposed for churning lassi? So he started working on that. The washing machine was cleaned to food grade standards. He upgraded that. Obviously, hygiene was a top priority. Customization happened. The drum was lined with stainless steel to ensure quality, safety, and enhance the flavor. Operations part of it, ingredients like curd, sugar, chilled water were loaded into the drum and the spin cycle was started. He was happy to see within minutes the machine produced perfectly whipped lassi, complete with froth, and that equaled handmade batches. Customers loved the lassi, and the story of the washing machine quickly became a local legend. Not only did the shop owner save on cost, but he also turned a quirky solution into a marketing edge, attracting curious visitors who wanted to see the lassi machine in action. So, what is this Jugaad? What does it mean? Jugaad is all about identifying unconventional solutions to everyday problems. It can help use underutilized equipment creatively, like the shop owner did. It can optimize cost. It can find low cost alternatives to expensive tools. Encourage experimentation. Build a culture where employees feel encouraged to think outside the box. Jugaad isn't just about savings, it's about delivering value in innovative ways. And Jugaad is not only reserved for those with big budgets. With a bit of creativity, even a washing machine can be transformed into a lassi making wonder. It happened in a company. It was peak period, summer, and unfortunately, the water cooler broke down. The office staff used a Jugaad fix. They filled the office coffees machine's water container with cold water and added ice cubes, and it gave instant cold water. Along with samosas, the team turned a sweaty afternoon into a refreshing chai samosa break. So, what is the moral of the story? Jugaad isn't just a hack, it's a mindset that solves problem while bringing people together and office or life in general. Thank you, Sanjay.
Thank you, Swamiji. This conversation has been enlightening. Friends, remember, the road to motivation, success, and excellence starts within you. Until next time, stay inspired and keep striving. Visit us asktenali.com for more workplace related articles and videos.